Hey guys, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I cannot wait to get started cooking. I've got some amazing Petite sweet scallops. We're gonna sear up, finish it with some butter and herbs, and then we're gonna serve it up with some risotto that we're gonna toss some spring veggies in. Cannot wait. The first thing we're gonna do though is get started on the risotto because it does take the longest to cook. So in a medium-sized pan over medium-high heat, we're gonna add in a bit of butter. Then we're gonna caramelize off some onions. We wanna make sure they get really nice and brown so they're flavorful. Next, we're gonna add in some of Heinen's Arborio rice. This is a short grain rice typically used for risotto. We're gonna toast that up for a few minutes. The next thing we wanna do is deglaze with white wine. And now is the process of slowly adding in chicken stock, about 6 to 8 ounces at a time, while continuing to stir until the rice becomes tender and creamy. Once the risotto is done, we simply want to finish off with some Parmesan cheese, some salt and pepper, and of course, I said spring vegetables. So in a medium-sized saute pan with a bit of olive oil, what we want to do is cook off some shiitake mushrooms. Once they get nice and brown, we're going to add in some asparagus, peas, and lima beans. We're going to season those up with salt and pepper. What we want to do is fold them into the cooked risotto, and then we're going to get started on our scallops. The risotto's finished. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. Does take about 35 minutes to cook until it is completely finished, but it's unbelievable. You can actually serve this as an entire meal. That's what they do in Italy. So now let's go over to the sweet Petite scallops. Heinen's has the absolute best seafood. It was in the ocean yesterday. It's at our doorsteps today. It's that fresh. I've got them sitting on some paper towels because we want to make sure they're completely dry first before we sear them. That's how you get that beautiful caramelization on them. Season them on all sides with salt and pepper. And an extremely large saute pan over high heat, we're gonna add in some olive oil. And what we wanna do is add in our scallops. Do not be so quick to flip them over. Let them sear, let them get that beautiful brown. You're looking at maybe 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. That's it. They're gonna be hard to flip because they are a little bit round. Don't worry about that. So what we want to do is finish off our scallops by adding in some lemon juice, some freshly minced garlic. Then we're going to add in some butter, some chives and thyme. Don't worry, the garlic is going to cook. It only takes a few seconds. Everything's done. Let's plate up. Scallops are finished too. What we want to do is plate this up. So I'm going to add some risotto into this bowl. Next, we're going to shred on some fresh Parmesan cheese. We've got some nice spring microgreens we're gonna put on top, and then we're just gonna add those bay scallops over the top, and boom, we're finished. Now this is a meal. You're talking start to finish in about 45 minutes. I mean, this is restaurant quality right in your very own kitchen. The scallops are so good, so fresh. You're gonna love them. The risotto, amazing. I just put some cherry tomatoes on the vine in there that I roasted off just for a little color. And of course, they're starting to come in season, so those are nice too. Get all these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores and visit Heinens.com to see all of our recipe videos. Cannot wait to get into this. We'll see you next time.